My name is Mrs. Dix. What's the rest of the class?
They went to a tobacco farm.
Excuse me?
I mean chicken. They went to a chicken ranch.
Anyways, I'm your sub today, and we are gonna start moving right along. Do some math problems.
Go through there.
No one. What are you talking about? Anyways, please take out your math books. Are you okay? No. Sorry, I coughed. Okay. Now, again, please take out your math books. Are you okay? Yes, Chelsea?
Miss Bitch.
Excuse me?
You're excused.
What did you call me?
I mean Miss Bix.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I have a two-part question. You know the part where, like, the song that's for, like, Asians? No, it's like the da-na-na-na-na-na.
No.
Aw, you suck. Anyway, I like that song, okay? So, don't diss me off. Anyway, Sierra and Rihanna have been passing pie. Just let you know. Just let you know.
Is that true?
See?
No.
Pie.
This isn't. Not again.
Can I sing a song?
Why would you?
I'm just a small town girl
Living in a lonely world.
Just turn to page 51.
Are you okay?
No!
God. I'm Sally. Do you need an aspirin?
Yes! Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure.
Are you really sure?
Literary criticism, and they're going to start a big.
Yes.
Can I sing you a song?
No.
Why?
Well, because.
I'm bringing sexy back.
Yeah!
Them other boys don't know how to act.
Yeah!
Okay, now. This is our lovely teacher who let us use her classroom, Miss Isom.
Thank you, Miss Isom.
Thanks, Miss Isom. Bye.
Bye-bye.